Hey everyone, welcome back to Tosca Automation tutorial series. In my last video, we have gone through a brief introduction about Tosca. We discussed what is Tosca, why we need to learn it, what are its advantages and disadvantages. If you have not watched it, then please do watch it. So today we are going to discuss different components of Tosca. Okay, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss any topic. Alright, let's get started. There are four major components of Tosca. First one is Tosca Commander. Second one is Tosca Executor. Third one is Tosca Scan or Tosca Wizard. And the last one is Test Repository. Let's go one by one. First one is Tosca Commander. Okay. So what is its functionality? You can say Tosca Commander is the hero of Tosca tool. Okay. It serves as an user interface of Tosca tool. It helps to manage automation activities. With Tosca Commander, we can automate all our activities. Okay. So it helps to design, maintain, execute and analyze of test cases. Tosca Commander is having various sections like you can get requirements tab, modules tab, test cases tab, test script design tab and execution and reporting. Everything you can do with the help of Tosca Commander. The second one is Tosca Executor. With the help of Tosca Executor, we can run all our test cases. Whatever the test scripts we are preparing with the help of Tosca tool, so that can be executed with the help of Tosca Executor. Then the next one is Tosca Xscan or Tosca Wizard. To automate end-to-end of an application, first of all, we need to scan the elements of the application. Okay. So, in order to scan the elements or objects of the application, that we can do with the help of Tosca Xscan or Tosca Wizard. Then, the last one is test repository. Okay, so it is a shared repository, or you can say it is the central repository. With the help of this, we can store our data. Okay, so we can store our test data, test cases, test scripts, etc. We can store here, and all the team members of the project, whoever access to this, they can upload their script to this test repository. They can download the scripts from the test repository. Okay, suppose you are having 5 or 6 members in your team, so everyone can be access to this test repository at a time. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and also share across your friends. Comment me if you have any questions or feedback. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.